Hello and welcome to the video tour here for 14 Orrestone on a beautiful spring morning here in Croyde, and we're at Sandrift, which is a 2-bedroom detached home here at the top of the cul-de-sac. Driveway parking, garage, electric door and side access. And as I turn you around, you can just see the top of the cul-de-sac. It's a lovely private position with distant rolling doors to the front and to the back. So let's just take a look inside. So here we are in the hallway. Downstairs toilet. Got the kitchen. Window to the front there, letting the light pour in. Stairs to the first floor, and through here you can see a really nice size lounge dining space with window and doors leading out to the garden. Very useful understairs cupboard. As we come through to the back, you've got this private rear garden, which is really nice. Enjoys the sun, which is great. As you can see, we've got the patio area, enclosed lawn space, and the bonus of the garage, which is perfect for conversion into an additional bedroom, and perhaps even go above the garage as well with planning permission, because you've already got plumbing here at the back. Just an electric roller door to the front. So it lends itself, like others have in the cul-de-sac, to become an additional bedroom or annex space or self-contained unit with its own facilities as well. As we come back in, so you're just moments walking from the beach here at Orrestone. You can use the west side entrance to the beach, or you can go through and walk through the village up into Moor Laneway, or even cut through in between the thatch. Bathroom, 3-piece suite, shower over the bath, landing window, which is lovely. As you can see, you can look out to the sea, nearly make out what the surf could be doing, but really nice outlook, and just lets the light pour in. 2 good sized bedrooms, currently arranged with twin beds, and that hillside to the rear as well. Main bedroom suite, wardrobes, which could become an access through if you wanted to try and go above the garage as well. Dressing area, overstairs cupboard with the boiler in, and dual aspect. Again, nice countryside views to the distance. As you can see, it's a really nice sized bedroom. Let's say with fantastic potential to become bigger, be the perfect lock-up, and as it is, obviously no restricted uses here, which is great. So it can be a full-time home, holiday home, rental or timeshare. So for more information on this property, give us a call on 01271 812 263, and we look forward to showing you soon.